All right, this is just going to be a quick one. I wanted to show you before I started grinding what we did and why we do it. I told you I was going to glue some paint sticks on, but I've already got the tape here, right? I held that bit in place where the witness mark of the two pieces separating to hold this thing. And I mean, it's good and sturdy now. I mean, it's good and strong. What we do, we put the tape down first, because what we're going to do after we grind is we're going to put some fiberglass on the inside, right? So the resin will come through everywhere where it's broken and leaking. If you glue the wood, first of all, right to the glass, one, it'll be hard to get it back off, and two, it could actually get bonded right to it with the resin coming through, right? So the tape first is like it's like a membrane. It's like the liner in your swimming pool, right? It's going to keep the water in the pool instead of seeping out, even though there's walls and they're relatively sealed up, it'll find its way out. So that's what we do. We cover it first, and then we strengthen it up. We covered this one here too, because this one was, Zeus was busted out, as you can see. So we're probably going to doctor that one up. We're going to try to keep this one, I think, as best we can there, so that when they put this thing back on, they can locate it with this one and then mark the back side with this one, because you won't be able to use a trouble light or light from the inside like you can with a brand new piece or just gel coated piece of fiberglass. When you stick it on, you can always put a light behind where you're going to mount it and see right through the gel coat, and then mark it on the outside with a magic marker. I'll show you that sometime down the road. But there we go. We're good and solid. We'll go ahead and get the inside ready for glass, and then we'll bring you some more. All right? Enjoying the day in Racing Roseville. Hey, look, FedEx is coming. They got my parts yet?